Welcome to the course. I'm so excited to have you here. You are now part of my community of Etsy sellers who want to learn how to make money selling digital goods. I'm so excited to be your teacher in this course and go over how you can make passive income with little upfront costs, no shipping fees, and low overhead expenses. So let's go ahead and start with an introduction. Hi, I am Nancy. Nice to meet you. I created this course because I have been successfully making passive income on Etsy for the past 3 years. I am also a digital marketing specialist now for 10 years. And in 2015, I got engaged to my husband Cornelius. So, like everyone else does, I started looking for handmade items to buy for my wedding on Etsy. As a marketer, I noticed many stores that were fairly new on Etsy and they were making a killing with passive income. I ended up buying my do-it-yourself invite, my do-it-yourself sitting chart, and a couple other signs from this beautiful shop and spent roughly about $65 and had my files instantly. And I thought to myself, this person just made $65 out of me and didn't do any work because these are do-it-yourself files. So that was very interesting to me. As you can imagine, planning a wedding is a lot of work, and I didn't start my Etsy journey until October of 2016. I started my Etsy shop because I wanted to do a case study to see if I could really make money on this amazing platform called Etsy. The first month, I made about $102 without having any experience making handmade items, not having a creative eye at all, and also not having any graphic design experience. And as an Etsy seller, starting with no experience in the handmade field, I made a lot of mistakes. I learned all about intellectual property and infringement. So originally, I started creating digital prints that had popular quotes on them. And after receiving notices of infringement because I was using copyrighted quotes, I decided to change my store niche around January of 2017, and I changed to the wedding niche. And that's when my income doubled every single month after that. I was able to increase my prices from $5 per print to a price range of $5 to $40. It was a game changer for me, and I found out that being able to create custom items for weddings increased my earnings drastically, and it helped me make a bit over $21,000 my first year on Etsy with no experience. So I ask you one question, isn't that incredible? Imagine if you could make an extra $20,000 in the next year, or even an extra $10,000. This is why I'm so excited about this course. I wanted to teach you everything I have learned and share my experiences to help you build a thriving Etsy business selling digital products. I do want to disclose that you will need to complete each unit in this course, work really hard, and be open to learning a lot of new things in order to build a successful Etsy business. So, why Etsy? According to Statistica.com, Etsy's annual revenue in 2018 was $603 million US, and the number of active sellers in 2017 was 1.9 million. As of now, it's probably even more than that. And it's the largest handmade e-commerce business. And as of close of 2018, 39.4 million buyers had purchased goods through Etsy. I mean, wow, that's the power of Etsy's. Kudos to you for being in this course and identifying the potential Etsy can offer for you. So, what does this all mean? You have a big opportunity to build a thriving Etsy business and have financial freedom. This course will be divided into modules, and you will learn the following: what is a digital good, how to identify your niche, how to identify your target customer, how to develop an Etsy blueprint, what is Etsy SEO means, how to have everything you need before opening your shop and resources, the curation of your shop, how to add call to actions, how to provide excellent customer service, how to analyze your shop's data, how to set up a Etsy ad, how to understand your Etsy dashboard, and how to understand how everything comes together. So let's go ahead and get started.